foothills including Estes Park in Nederland, the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Mountain Standard Time Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Plan on difficult travel conditions. Peaks. The northern front range foothills and the 6 to 12 inches with localized amounts up to 18 inches. Where? Rabbit Ears Pass, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, the Northern Front Range foothills and the Southern Front Range foothills. When? From 6 p.m. this evening to noon Mountain Standard Time Sunday. Additional details. Be prepared for snow-covered and slippery roads. Significant reductions in visibility at times are expected. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The latest road conditions are calling from Commute Team by calling 511. This is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. Once freezing drizzle is expected late this evening and will change to snow early Sunday morning. This is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. Accumulations for the following locations: light ice in Colorado, Fort Collins and Greeley. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. What? Freezing drizzle is expected late this evening and will change to snow early Sunday morning. Plan on difficult travel conditions. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches and light ice accumulations are expected. Where? Fort Collins and Greeley. When? From midnight tonight to 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. Additional details. Light ice accumulation may occur prior to snowfall and make roads very slippery tonight. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times due to falling and blowing snow. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Winter storm bringing snow and gusty winds to portions of northeast England. This is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, Boulder and the western suburbs of Denver, Castle Rock, and Byers. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. What? Freezing drizzle is expected late this evening and will change to snow early Sunday morning. Plan on difficult travel conditions. Total snow